John 17 verse 2. Since you have given him authority over all flesh, to give eternal life to all whom you have given him. It all happens at the center of your existence, in that sweet spot of the deepest reality of your being, where the awakening of your conscience knowing of your spirit man's reality planted in the timely moment of your earthly appearance. Then, by his authority over you, he leads your thirsty soul out of the realm of death to life by translating you into the kingdom realm of the Son, from dead Adam to living Christ. Hear him speak to you through me, power over all flesh. You shall come to a day where only he has the yes in your all. Let it be today. Father, help me to see the way and guide me by your Spirit to yield completely to the one who possesses power over all flesh.